Welcome to our new remote learning experience. When your student logs into GradeLink using the student account or the parent account, you will see the school news page, and then you'll see the teacher pages. That's where your teacher will be uploading all of the current assignments for the week. In my class, this first page is just announcements about the whole thing. My contact information's at the bottom. The homeroom page has some cool video welcome links that will help them to understand the Abeka videos a little bit. And then the subject tabs will have their assignments as well as the video links for that day. In Bible, Heritage, and Science, the links are only active for one day. So the teachers will be going through and updating those each morning before school starts. Heritage, Science, and Bible, if you need another link, you'll just have to give us a call and we can relink something if you missed it. In Language and Math, they are done through Abeka, and you will click the link. The assignments are listed here. Use the link to go to Abeka, and then you can use your login information to access the videos there. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Have a good day.